Find the Face, the fun and fast-paced party game of finding famous faces first. Quick and easy to learn and play. Here's how. Scatter the famous faces around the table. The youngest player starts by rolling the dice, which dictates what clues they will give. Act them out without using any words. Impression. Describe in 3 words. Describe in 1 word. Say their name. Describe them without saying their name. The player then secretly chooses any celebrity and gives a clue based on the symbol on the dice. Describe them. He's an actor and he slapped Chris Rock. All other players then race to find the face first. The first to find the correct face wins the round. 1 word.
President.
Each card a player wins is added to their own win pile. Impression.
I'm so mean I make medicine sick.
If a player touches the wrong celebrity, they lose a card to the winner of that round. If 2 players touch the correct card at exactly the same time, they must battle it out in another round. 1 word. Tennis. The first to 10 cards wins the game. Find the face by Picky. How well do you know your celebrities?